Hi everyone, welcome to K Unboxing, where we introduce you some brilliant and high quality products which is made in Korea. I'm One Day. So with me here today is a bubbly, fruity unboxing YouTuber, Yasmin. Welcome back, Yasmin.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. This is Yasmin with you, and I'm the unboxing girl, and I've seen a lot of Korean products, and I cannot wait to introduce all of them to our global audience.
So, what are you gonna show us today?
So yeah, today I have another 3 products to introduce to you, and you will be amazed with what we have today.
I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, I'm so excited, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, let's see what we have.
Delivery is here.
So let's begin and see what's inside the boxes.
What should we open first?
You choose. You always have the choice to, you know.
Can I get this one? The box is open. What is this?
Wow.
What's this, Yasmin?
I will give you a clue.
Okay.
So actually this is a very creative item which is healthy and also tasty at the same time. Can you guess what it
Healthy
is?
and tasty. Tasty, and that means edible.
Yes, of course it is. So these are like powdered vitamins that you can add to your drinking water, or you can even add it to the tea that you drink or anything that you drink daily. So as you can see, like they have a lot of tastes. You can choose the thing that you want, like the taste that you like. And you know what? It has a lot of vitamins. Vitamin A, B, C, and even vitamin D.
Oh yeah, it
So you don't
says
need any like vitamin pills or something.
That's good.
This is enough for you.
Then how do you drink this?
Let's try together.
Of course.
Yeah. So, which one would you like to choose?
Okay, then I'm gonna choose this green one, apple flavor.
Yes, it's my favorite.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Oh. It's so cute. It's tiny.
Yeah. You know, it looks really cute with the green color. So you can see the color. The color, it means different flavor.
Okay.
So the green one is the apple one. The red one, if you see, you can see the cap. It's like red color, so you can differentiate between them like that.
Every
So-
cap has different
color.
color.
Different flavor.
Okay.
So let's open this and try it.
It's not really different.
Yeah. It's like
How
that.
can we use this?
I will give you a hint. So I prepared. What do you like to drink, Honde?
I want to drink sparkling water.
Sparkling.
Oh
That's why
yeah.
I brought sparkling water for you today.
Oh my God! Thank you so much.
Yes. So open the bottle.
Yeah.
And I will tell you how you can try this on. So you have the cap here.
Yeah.
Don't take it off. You just need to twist it to the bottle.
Twist it.
Like that. Yeah. Okay.
I did.
And then after that, you twist like the cap here to open it because
Open
we
it?
need to drink it, right? And then you have
Just
the
drink it?
green. No.
No?
No. You have the green thing here.
Yeah.
And if you can see, there is like something like a silicone here. So you just need to put your finger and push it. I will show you how. Ugh, I didn't take my breakfast, so that's why.
Okay. Oh.
As you can see. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, it's amazing. So cool.
Yeah. After we mixed everything, you just have to shake it.
Shake it.
Shake
Like
it, shake
this?
It, shake it. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you open this.
Ta-da! Okay.
Yeah, so cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
And just drink
And
it.
you just drink it, yeah.
Oh, hey there. I'm a K early adapter, Agent Junior, and I'm here to figure out the secret of the magical cap. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, where's that?
He's like trying to go to the lab. As you can
Look
see,
at the
I told
color.
you. Yeah, blueberry, apple, and a lot of flavors as I
Wow.
told you.
Ah.
So he went to the lab to see the secret of this product.
Excuse me? Can I ask what you guys are doing?
특허 캡인 팝캡 속에 들어가는 농축 원액을 개발하는 곳입니다. 단순한 음료가 아니라 고객 맞춤 제품을 개발하기 위해서 설탕, 보존료, 인공색소, 무첨가를 기본으로 다양한 기능성 원료를 첨가하여 건강한 음료를 만들어내는 것을 표로 하고 있습니다.
Well, I'm guessing there is a variety of flavors here. Can you tell me some?
저희는 수분 보충과 비타민이 부족한 바쁜 현대인들을 위한 그린애플 석류 오렌지와 어린이와 청소년을 위한 프리미엄 오렌지 석류 그린애플 망고, 그리고 PC 콜라겐을 넣은 리치, 면역력에 좋은 차가버섯이 있습니다. 총 240여 가지 제품이 있습니다.
Can you tell me one flavor that you guys are working on this moment? What is that?
탄산음료와 섞어 마시면 이제 콜라가 되는 제품입니다.
Wow, that's a Coke.
Wow.
So as you can see, also kids can drink this, and it's so healthy with no sugar, sugar-free, no colors, like artificial colors.
So it's so much fun to see an everyday water turn into our favorite beverage. I mean, can you tell me the secret to that?
특허받은 병뚜껑으로 내부에 특별한 공간이 있어서 내용물을 신선하게 보관하다가 소비자가 즉석에서 터뜨려서 마실 수 있는 그 이기압의 밀폐력을 보증하기 때문에 신개념의 밀폐력이 아주 뛰어난 제품입니다.
I mean, to be honest, as a K early adapter agent, I think I'll have to test it out. Nope, doesn't want to work at all.
What are you doing?
It's
He's
safe.
trying to crash it, I think. Oh my
Oh.
gosh! Wow.
Oh.
All right, I got to admit the world-class healing power of the POPCAP. But the thing is, we need a bottle of water to actually drink that. But what if it doesn't fit in?
네, 저희 제품 팝캡은 국내뿐만이 아니고 해외 95% 이상의 생수병과 결합을 해서 사용이 가능합니다. 특히나 국내뿐만 아니라 해외에 있는 탄산수와도 결합이 가능한데요. 캡 하부에 있는 어댑터를 분리해 주시면은 탄산수와도 결합하여서 사용이 가능합니다.
Wow, that works. Wow, that's impressive.
Wow, so as you saw,
Okay.
a lot of stuff, everything is perfect.
So I heard that the caps are exported overseas. How are the reactions there, and do you have any future goals?
So we're working on exporting our products to Thailand and Taiwan and Sri Lanka and China. And the POPCAPs are designed to meet consumers' needs by putting various formula to the caps. And we're getting pretty good feedback from our consumers. And for the future, we're planning to expand our market to Asia and US market.
POPCAP, and there goes your favorite beverage. Well, I guess that's mission complete. I'll see you next time.